Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to add subtitles to your video in Descript. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and download the official Descript application if you haven't already. After downloading it, guys, and installing it, go ahead and log into your account, and after logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main and first page of the Descript application. So if you look at the left side of the screen, you will be able to see all of the menu options that you can access right here. Here in the middle of the page, I can see all of the projects that I'm working on, and here in the upper right corner is our button where we can go ahead and create our new project. But yeah, guys, for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and use a project that I already have. I have a video from a famous TV show of a man talking into a camera. So as you can see here, I have the transcription of the text that is said in the video. It is right here. It was automatically added, and let's say that I want to add subtitles to the video. So if somebody else is watching the video or looking at the text, they have the subtitle to translate it to another language. It's very easy to do, guys, and you only need a couple of clicks. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead right here into the upper corner where it says text. Go ahead and click on text, guys. And in text, now we can select what kind of text we want. We have multiple options, but we want to choose the subtitle option. And basically, guys, after clicking on subtitle, now this will create this option right here, which will enable us to put our subtitle in the video. And you will have to add your subtitle manually. You will have to make sure that the text can be translated into other languages. I'm not going to go into details right now, guys, into translating into other languages, but basically, if you want to put subtitles, this is how you do it. You go ahead, put them in, and then you edit the settings right here so that you can have subtitles in the video. But yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.